Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best air mattress for kids available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have AeroBed Air Mattress. The AeroBed Air Mattress for Kids features a 4-inch high surround safety cushion to help children stay on the air bed without accidentally rolling off. Its heavy-duty PVC material with electronically welded seams offers reliable long-lasting use, while horizontal channel construction provides extra support and helps prevent sagging to keep your little guest comfortable. It comes with a thick washable fitted mattress pad with a cute star and moon design is included for added comfort. This blow-up bed inflates in less than a minute thanks to the included AC pump and can deflate in less than 15 seconds. It has 4-inch high surround safety cushion helps keep children from rolling off the mattress. At number 6 we have Little Sleepy Air Mattress. This toddler inflatable bed is the perfect kids travel bed around. It is super comfy, quiet and oh so portable. Your little one may just prefer it to his/her own bed. It is made with the sturdiest of materials. This kids inflatable bed is guaranteed against pops and leaks, is lightweight and comes with a super turbo fast electronic air pump and carrying case. It could hold up to 300 pounds. The inner inflatable mattress has a soft velvet material on top and is easy to keep clean with our included sheet. Also fits all crib-sized sheets. This toddler air mattress also has rails on both sides ensuring that your little one stays put safely and comfortably. At number 5 we have Hugbeano Air Mattress. Your toddler will remain safe and sound throughout the night with the portable child travel bed. Due to its oversized safety wall, it surrounds the child air mattress in its entirety. That's leaving your toddler and linens secure and in place. You can easily remove the inner mattress and machine wash. It also allows you to tuck crib sheets and linens firmly. That's keeping your toddler snug while sleeping. The days of spending hours trying to manually blow up a portable toddler air mattress are over. The camping bed for kids now has oversized air valves for quick flow inflation and deflation. At number 4 we have Ushma Air Mattress. Ushma inflatable toddler bed is great for travel, home and camping. The bed bumper is the ideal transitioning tool for graduating your toddler from crib to bed. If a child gets too close to the edge of the bed, the bumper serves as a passive safety reminder to return to the center of the bed. This bed rail provides your toddler with a safe night's sleep and a clear conscience for you. The inflatable travel bed kids is the perfect solution for those tween times that every parent dread. This bed can be used whenever sleeping is involved, such as home, hotel, camping. Kids cannot sleep in adult beds before they are 24 months old. Yet most outgrow a crib at 18 months. So what do you do during those awkward 6 months? At number 3 we have Fawat's Air Mattress. Fawat's Kids Air Mattress, made with premium flocking fabric, provide a soft touching feeling. The raw material is suitable thickness, BPA phthalate and lead-free, leads to no extra weight and comply with all federal standards for child safety. This design security rails helps prevent your kids from falling and stay in bed. Fawat's Kids Travel Bed, made of durable PVC with strong double seams construction. It is 50% thicker than others on the market to ensure it stays inflated. The seams are reinforced and the valves are heavy-duty for longevity. Fawat's Air Mattress bed inflates the entire set in 30 seconds with included electric pump. When it's time to stow, simply pull out the airlock valves, fold, roll and go. At number 2 we have Ozark Air Mattress. This Ozark Trail Kids Camping Air Bed is the perfect sleep destination for kids as they explore the outdoors or for their next indoor sleepover. At number 1 we have Romnax Air Mattress. This kids portable air mattress comes with a hand pump and carry bag, which means you can use it at home or carry it outside. And when it is time to storage, simply fold, roll and go. This 3-side bumper are designed higher to ensure your kids will remain inside the travel bed at all times. This air mattress for kids is thicker than others, which ensure it stays inflated. The seams are reinforced and the valves are heavy-duty for longevity. The puncture-resistant PVC material makes more durable when kids play on it. This is the perfect choice when you are traveling, going far, and going to child's grandparents' home or even camping and bring you more convenience. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best air mattress for kids for your need.